Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Rashi Goel and in this video we are going to solve 100 minus x times 101 minus x is equals to 104 minus x and we have to find the value of x. So let's start with today's video solution. So 100 minus x, 101 we can write it as 100 minus x plus 1. Similarly, 104 as 100 minus x plus 4. Now I'm going to take substitution. So let 100 minus x is equals to a. So a times a plus 1 is equals to a plus 4. So a square plus a is equals to a plus 4. So a square plus a minus 4 is equals to 0. So we can cancel out. So a square minus 4 is equals to 0. A square is equals to 4. A is equals to square root 4. So the value of a is plus minus 2. So as we know, we take a substitution. So let put a is equals to positive 2 first. So 100 minus x is equals to 2. 100 minus 2 is equals to x. So x is 98. When we put a is equals to negative 2. So 100 minus x is equals to negative 2. 100 plus 2 is equals to x. So the value of x is 102. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So please give us a thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned.